Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to equip multiple accessories on Roblox. First of all, you have to go to roblox.com on your browser in mobile or a PC. Now once you're here guys, now you just need to click on menu and go to avatar. So basically it will open an avatar editor from here. Now you just need to go to an accessories and go to face accessories. And here you can see all the accessories are selected at once. And so how did I do that basically? So to select multiple accessories, only you need to do, let me unselect the previous one, all the accessories. And if you're trying to select multiple accessories, it doesn't work now. So how did I select all of them earlier? So basically you can do that. There's a trick to select multiple accessories. What you need to do, you have to right click on a new accessories and copy the link address as you can see here, and open a new tab and paste it over here, and just copy the asset ID of new accessories. Copy. Once you copied, now you just need to go back to the avatar page, avatar editor, and click on advanced and paste it over here, and just click on save button and click on save again to save it. Fine. And now as you can see that I have selected two accessories at once, and if you want to select the third one as well in the same manner, you can select that. Just click on copy the link address, again open a new tab and paste it over here, and just copy the link asset ID of new here or new accessories, and go back to avatar editor, again go click on advanced and paste it in the asset ID, blank asset ID, and click on save and click on save again. So your accessories will be saved and you will be able to select multiple accessories at once using this trick. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.